In today's world, learning programming has become an integral part of personal and professional skills development. However, while studying programming, one can encounter numerous questions and challenges. Thanks to artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, the learning process can be made more efficient and engaging. Let's dive into my exciting experience of using ChatGPT for learning the Python programming language. How I would learn Python with ChatGPT. To start, I need a roadmap. Let's write this request. Create a roadmap for learning the Python programming language. ChatGPT make it easy. Now I need learning materials. Let's compile a list of resources for studying Python. Compile a list of resources for learning Python. We see a list of resources where Python can be learned. Next step is practice, the key to programming success. I write the following request. Provide tasks from easy to more complex, along with their solutions and explanations. I saw the tasks suggested by ChatGPT, and if I get stuck anywhere, solutions with explanations will help me understand my mistakes and learn something new. Another crucial stage is creating a learning plan. I write the following request. Create a study plan for the Python programming language. From Monday to Friday for 4 hours a day. Now I am ready to start learning the Python programming language. These requests can also be applied to learning other programming languages or technologies you want to master. Thank you for joining me and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye, everyone!